shapes
Oh, yeah.
and how it helped us learn the math. We're going to read Amanda Bean's Amazing Dream to help us learn Amazing Dream, a mathematical story by Cindy Neuschwander. Pictures by Liza Woodruff. 5s and 10s, I can add up anything. The kids at school call me Bean Counter. Now we're learning about multiplying. I understand many things about multiplying. Multiplication, just like when you see a plus sign, it means addition. Yep, sure. I think I can just keep counting. I tell my teacher this. He agrees. But he says counting is a longer way to find the same answer. I notice there are 12 columns of tiles. There are 12 tiles in each column. It is a long time before I count all 144 for a book. Maybe I should learn to multiply. Maybe it would make counting easier. I am still thinking about this when I go to bed. I am very tired, but my mind just will not quit thinking about number 27 sheep. Tonight I will think about riding my bike. This is simple. There are only 2 wheels, 2 pedals, 1 seat, and 1 of me. I will imagine a quiet bike ride. Then I notice something. It looks like 8 bicycles with sheep on them. How many wheels is that, I wonder? I start counting, but the sheep whiz by so fast, I cannot count them all. I cannot count all the bicycle wheels. Wait, I yell. I don't know. Now I really must catch up with those woolies on wheels. I really must know how many. What was Amanda Bean doing to count things?
Plus.
She was using
Addition.
And by the end of the story, she was using
Multiplication.
Ready? Everyone's eyes up here. We're going to go through the story of Amanda Bean, and we're going to find pictures of things that we can multiply. I'm going to go to this page, and I see a tray of cookies. I could use addition, but I want to use multiplication because I want a quicker way of seeing how many cookies there are, right?
Yes.
So, I see that there are 4 rows of cookies. You're just listening right now. 5, 6, 7. Okay, just listen though. So I'm going to write on my paper that there are 4 rows of cookies. That's what I know. In each row is an X like this. So 4 times 7 is our multiplication problem, which we're multiplying together. One of them is going to be the rows, or the columns, or the groups. And the next number is going to be how many in each row, in each column, in each group. And I'm going to count. I'm going to count 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. Because that's the addition. 1 plus 7 is 28. So that's my answer. Raise your hand if you know the number of rows.
2. She said raise.
I'm going to look for someone that's raising their hand quietly. Melanie. 2 rows. How many of each row?
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 7, or 2 times 7 is 14.
Think about what the first number represents
Get it.
and what the second number represents in your number sentence. On the bread, we're looking at the number of loaves of bread.
This is one
How many there are
right here.
You know this multiplication?
Good.
Angel.
So how do you write the
Angel.
addition? Yes, you're at the final answer
How many of you wish
by doing the addition.